How to delete TikTok account permanently. If you want to delete your TikTok account, then all you have to do is open up your TikTok, and then on the bottom right side you will have a profile icon. Tap on your profile, and then on the upper right corner you will have a 3-barred icon. Tap on that, and then head over to settings and privacy, and here on the first one you have account. Tap on account. Before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And now you will have a deactivate or delete account option. Tap on that. So here you have delete account permanently. Tap on delete account permanently, and here it is asking why are you leaving TikTok. So choose any option that you would like, and after choosing the option, tap on continue. Now here tap on the bottom left side, and by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account. And after tapping on continue, your TikTok account will be permanently deleted. So this is how you delete your TikTok account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.